You'll see.
There's a lot of open carries still to and from fishing.
Yep.
Okay.
104 coming on the west side.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 40 and on I-7, red, taking 10-8.
Gulfport PDA.
Where you go to Gulfport 1 or Gulfport 3 at 10-4?
Thank you. Somebody.
Or Gulfport 3 on Patrol 1 primary.
I'm sorry?
Are you busy?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
just have a question.
10-4, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want me to ask you when you're done?
All right, go ahead.
I spoke to another police officer and said to call you guys. My dad is a retired policeman, and I don't like. There's a terrible noise. There's someone in the city of Gulfport, the tap house, that violates the noise thing constantly. He said to call the police every time, but I don't like to do that. Is there no? Should I go to maybe a council meeting?
You can.
I don't know what to do at this point. Let me put it this way. You know, it's 65, right?
Mhm.
It was 110 last Saturday. It's been running between 87 and 100 and over 100. Not every day, but enough to. I'm not the only person complaining. I know you've gotten a lot of calls on it, but I just wondered if there was a better way to go about
I would just call.
Okay, I've
next
tried
time it
talking to her, but she won't really talk.
Yeah, next time it happens, I would just call us.
Okay.
That's the best way. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's the best way to do it.
I apologize in advance.
It's okay.
But I guess you need it. It'll at least establish a record.
Yes,
I don't
ma'am.
want to be hated by the police.
You're fine.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Chief, look up statute.
Got me 13-8.
Yeah, I'm just gonna make copies. Whatever. Hi. Wiltsy. So. That was all. Okay. I said he scared people. Hi! He's just waving at us, so I don't really fucking care. Alright.
Camera off.
I don't think you're recording, were you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. This is my malfunction. 1 to 3, go 10-8.